my love, welcome back and happy fall. I'm so excited to finally share with you all my updated living room tour, my family room. And if you follow me on Instagram, you know we've been busy in changing our floor, getting a new chandelier fan, and buying new decor. And I'm so excited to share with you all in the perfect time of the season because it's fall. And I'm so grateful because I partner and collaborate with my dear friend here on YouTube, Lisa from Greencrystalrose. I bet you guys only know her channel because she is amazing. She does the most exciting DIY, and also her husband and her just bought this gorgeous house, and I can't wait to see what she does for fall. So make sure you check the description for her channel, and let's get started. Water can be used for so many different things. This definitely holds our snack for movie nights and also make it very fun and easy for the kids to grab something to go. I added some cookies because that day I was home and their room was clean, so I left little cookies for them when they get home from school. Is such an exciting treat. And this little wooden boat, I call it the boat, I got it from At Home Store. I'm currently holding just some pumpkins, some Z Gallery grapes, and I absolutely love it. It's just a multi-purpose kind of bow on everything. This little trick-or-treat bow, since we don't celebrate Halloween, what I'm planning on doing during the Halloween season is just add candy to for the kids to grab so they don't feel left out. But it's just a fun way for me to add little treats for my babies, and that came from Home Good. My vision for this one was comfort and coziness, and I think I achieved that so well. Let me know what you think. Our sectional is from Value City Furniture. This rug is from Overstock. It's definitely your add-on. The statement piece of the room is definitely in the CB2 shelf, and all the decor piece are definitely a recent add-on. My Z Gallery pumpkins follow me everywhere. You guys know it's a statement piece in any household. Yep, I absolutely love it. And this new flower is an addition from Home Goods. So I love mixing everything, as by the time this video is up, the shelf might change, and I hope you guys enjoy and definitely got some inspiration from it. Let me know what was your favorite part of this living room, and also don't forget to check out Lisa's page, her channel. I know her house tour is gonna be amazing, and if you're coming from her channel, I'm Juliet. You can call me Julie. I love all things beautiful, so I hope you decide to become part of my YouTube family, and thank you all so much for your continued love and support, and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye.